Hi and welcome to Little Hatchlings Art Lessons. Today we're going to be drawing
Belle.
Yeah, we're gonna draw Belle from Beauty and the Beast. And she has a beautiful big yellow dress.
Wait.
Alright, you ready to get started?
Yeah.
Alright, to draw Belle, we're gonna start with her eyes. Okay, so right here, we're gonna draw
Right here?
kind of like off center. Yeah, right around there. We're gonna draw a rainbow shape and then curve it underneath. And then a little nose and then another rainbow for the other eye. And then a curve underneath. Yeah, and then, yeah, you're gonna be drawing a circle on that side of the eye with a black circle on the inside. And then a circle over here with a black circle on the inside. And later we're gonna color her eyes brown and we'll have little highlights in there.
Can we start with the eyes?
The eyelashes?
Yeah.
Yeah, so you're gonna draw 3 eyelashes going that way. And then 3 more going this way. Oh, that's beautiful.
Are cute?
Cute. Okay. All right, you did the nose, so yeah, now you can do the smile. Oh, I love your smile. I would leave it just like that. That's cute. I was gonna do an open mouth smile like this. But I love yours. That is so cute. Okay, so now eyebrow.
This way.
Mm-hmm.
Like straight.
Yeah. Okay, let's do an eyebrow. Oh, that's a good eyebrow. I love it. And then the other one, just right next to it over here. Very good. Very good. Awesome. Okay, so now right here, we're gonna draw a line up.
Yay, up.
And then we're gonna draw a curved line up and over. And then down and over.
This.
Mm-hmm. Perfect. Mm-hmm. And then swoop it out.
Like this.
Perfect. Yes. Wow, that's so good. Okay, so now we're gonna draw her ear. So you just draw a little backward C right there.
Backwards C right there.
Perfect. And then we're gonna draw the side of her face coming down.
Right here.
Mm-hmm.
Connecting to the ear.
Yep. And now we're gonna draw over here. We're gonna draw her cheek. And then you just curve it around. And now come down to here. That's gonna be where her chin is. Very good. And then up to over there. Good job.
It looks like her ear.
Oh well, that's fine. I love it. Okay, so now her hair, we're going to do a curved line right there.
Here, here, there.
Yeah. And then you're going to draw another line just right above it.
Like the same?
Mm-hmm.
Like
Mm-hmm.
this?
Yep. And then from right here, you're going to go down like that.
Like this?
Uh-huh. From right here, we're going to curve over and then up. It's just like the same as you did right there. You're just doing it above. Perfect.
Right here?
Mm-hmm. And then we're going to do like a bigger curve right there.
Right here?
Mm-hmm. Very good. Okay, so now we're going to curve this over to here. Very good. And then right here, we're going to draw a little hairband, like a rectangle.
Daddy's ponytail!
And then a bun, yeah, right there. Very good. All right, and then now here, we're gonna swoop a line over above her ear.
Swoop, swoop, swoop.
Very good. Okay. So now we're
Are we
gonna
done with it?
almost.
There.
Now we're gonna draw her neck with 2 little lines right here.
Doop, doop.
And then from her neck, we're gonna draw some hair flowing behind her. Very good.
That's
And-
like.
Yeah. And then right here, we're gonna go and curve a line out like that. Yeah, and down. Very good. All right. So we'll do the bottom part of her hair in just a little bit. Now,
Can we do its body?
her body. Yes. So we're gonna do one shoulder going this way.
Like this?
Uh-huh. And then we're gonna do her other shoulder going this way. All right, and then we're going to do her sleeves like this, a line right there, because you're making kind of a rectangle, but instead of it meeting right here, it's gonna go a little further. So it's kind of like a rectangle, but it goes to a point. Good job.
Like a pizza.
Like a pizza. And then you're gonna do a circle right here.
Circle.
And then you're gonna do a curved line right here that comes down. Very nice. Okay. And then her shoulder goes down right there. And then this part, you make another curved line below it. Very good. Okay, and then you're gonna draw a curved line right here. Yep, from right there. Yeah. Very good. All right, so we're gonna draw, think about her arm going behind here and down. And then right next to it, it comes down too. Very good. And then she's wearing gloves. So we're gonna draw a line right here for the top of her glove. Can you draw a line like that for the top of her glove? Yeah. And then it curves in like that. We're gonna draw her elbow right below it like that. And then it goes straight over to just about there. And then we're gonna draw the top part of her arm right there. Down a little bit and then over. And then her hand is gonna go straight up. And then her fingers are gonna go 1, 2, 3, like that. And then her pinky you're gonna show. And then down. So then you kind of just create these into the fingers. Because she's going to be holding a rose. And then you just put little, yeah, and then just connect them all. Cute. Very good. Yeah.
Can we start with the flower?
You want to do the flower right now? Okay. So the line comes up out of her hand over here. And then up here, you're going to draw a spiral.
I'm going to do this.
Okay, so I'm going to do it like this. You draw a spiral, and that's the top of the rose. And then you're going to bring it down. Oh, I like your daisy. That's cute. All right, and then you can do some little leaves if you want for the rose. All right, so there's the top part of the flower. I love yours. So cute. Oh, little flowers. Oh, I love it. So cute. Okay, now we can finish her hair by...
Is that from you?
I don't think so. That's funny. So we're gonna draw a curved line here and then another curved line that meets up right here.
Like,
Mm-hmm.
the
Yeah. And then it comes up to a point. Very good. Oh, I love it. Okay.
Are we finished with her yet?
Well, let's draw her pretty yellow dress. Okay, so right here we're
But
gonna...
what about her other?
Yeah, we'll do her other arm too. Okay, so right here we're gonna draw a diagonal line from there to there.
I know, it's like an X.
Yeah. And then right here,
An X is like, but we're not doing an X like this.
no. So her other hand, we're gonna make a curved shape like that.
That's like the same X.
And then another,
But it's curvy.
yeah, another curve right there. So this hand is just making a curved shape. And then her arm's going out. And then her top of her arm goes over like this. And then we're gonna draw her elbow right here.
Elbow.
And then her glove is right here.
That could be the arm.
Yeah, that's the, yeah, and then her arm goes up and meets up. Okay, so now her waist, you're gonna draw a line down and it goes behind that. And we make a V shape. So can you make a V shape right here?
And connect.
Good. All right.
It's like.
So now we're gonna draw a curved line out here and then down. Can you draw a curved line out and down to here?
Like this.
And then this side, it's not quite the same. It kind of flows out this way more. And then we're gonna draw, these are called scallops. It goes like this. And you're gonna draw like 6 of them.
Look at this.
Oh, so good.
Big one. Like.
Yeah, and her feet just barely show. We're just gonna do little U's or upside down rainbows right here at the bottom. They barely show
They're
under
like
her dress.
slippers.
Yeah, and then you can just draw a little line in there for her toes. Okay, and then,
I like doing this.
cute. Now we can draw some lines inside her dress. So you can start right here and go down.
And they disappear.
And then here
Into
and down.
dot.
And then from here it curves this way. And this one curves this way.
I'm gonna make them a little bit bigger.
Okay, and then yeah, you put dots like you said at the end of each of those lines. And then you can put one on this end. And then you draw upside down rainbows.
I don't like to.
That's okay. You can draw upside down rainbows from each dot. And then this one just goes off like that. And then you draw another upside down rainbow right.
Do they connect?
Yeah, they connect. You draw another upside down rainbow right under that one. Like this.
Then they go like.
Yeah, and then you can draw other lines like this. Yeah. And then this one just goes straight down. Yeah.
Then we
then
just
up.
do these things one.
Yeah, you can just draw some wrinkles or whatever. And then there's also some like upside down rainbows up here. Yep, those just show the wrinkles. Okay, and then she also has a line that goes up. You don't have to draw it if you don't want to. There's just a little line that goes up her bodice. All right, is there anything we're missing?
I don't want to do that one.
I think we got everything.
But
Now,
don't do the line for me.
now, oh, I forgot one line right here. Okay. All right, so now we can color it. All right, so pause your video now so you can use this as a reference to color your picture. Thank you so much for drawing with us.
Thank you for trying with us.
We would love to see how your picture turned out, so you can tag me at Sarah Hatch Art Studio on Instagram and then I can see it. Make sure you subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our future videos. And we will see you next time. Bye! Now you're going to tickle yourself.